You want to accept one more challenge? One more like army party जो है army party. Hey everyone, welcome to my new vlog. This vlog is going to be quite challenging and quite interesting because for the first time I am making this kinds of vlog, and I can say that this will be quite funny and interesting vlog because here I am going to add and condition a challenge. I'm going to challenge a buddy who is going to eat my village most favorite food that is often taken by or have by the people of my village. Okay, so that is rice. You might have eaten the rice or you may eat the rice, but in India this is the most popular food, okay, most popular corn in the country, and most of the villagers they cultivate this thing, as I have already shown you in many vlogs. And by the help of paddy, by the process they just have the rice and they cook and they eat. Okay, so I'm going to call him and I'm going to give him the challenge. What will be the challenge? I'm going to show you in this vlog. So now I am going to call him in front of the camera, and who is going to accept my challenge, we will see. Okay, so come. So this is the guy that who is going to accept my challenge, and we are going to add some condition. Okay, let me show you the rice that we have already served from the house, and we have already prepared the food. Come. So as you can see, this is the food that he is going to eat completely. 2 pots. Okay, this is the utensil, and in this utensil he has to eat at least 2 full utensils. Then he is going to win this challenge, and this challenge he will win 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees he is going to win. So are you ready to accept the challenge? Ready. Okay, so let's go. So let's start. Let's see how much he can have. So guys, I have forgotten to tell you the conditions that I have used here. You can eat it, there is no problem, but here is one more condition that I have. 2 conditions I have added here. The first is without vegetable he is going to eat this rice, and the second condition is without salt, which is quite more difficult than any challenges. Okay, if you will have the food and without salt, that is not possible, but will he able to complete this challenge? Let's see. So he has already started, he is eating. Okay, let's see. The 2 utensil completely full utensil he have to eat, then he can win this challenge. Otherwise he is going to lose the 50 rupees. This is the low budget video, so that is why 50 rupees is enough, and he has accepted the challenge. So let's see how he will be able to. I think he is going to win this because he is about to complete his first challenge. The second will be served, and he will be served to him. So as you can see, he has already completed the first challenge. Now we are going to see that will he be able to complete the next challenge, or will he accept it? So do you want to accept one more challenge? One more like Aromi Bhatti जो सुना जाता है जो से Aromi Bhatti. So guys, he has denied to accept the next challenge because I think he has faced a very big problem, because you know there was a condition that without salt and without vegetable, and it is really like very hard to complete this challenge, because without salt you will not get any kinds of taste, which is quite weird taste you will get. So that is why he is not able to complete this challenge, and he has lose the 50 rupees. So if you guys like this challenge, if you guys think that this challenge is quite interesting, then you can follow me and I will show you many this kind of challenges in my videos, in my vlogs, and you will have the enjoy by the help of these kinds of vlogs. So finally he has lose the 50 rupees, which could have given him a moment of enjoy to have something from the stores or from some sweet foods, but he has already lost this. So now game is over. Okay, thank you guys and see you in the next vlog.